Good day everyone, you're welcome to this video. To my new and new subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to synchronize your audio with your video for it to be smooth. Alright, how to sync your video with your audio to have that smooth flow of video. I hope you understand. So like this.
For dog who goes E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog who jumps all day long.
So it is very simple, right? Good. So how to synchronize your audio and your video. So all you just need to do now is to go back to your CapCut. Now under this CapCut, just go back to new project and add your video and your audio, right? So now we have this audio. I'm going to be using this. Now these are videos, I mean. Also it is an AI generated video, you understand? So and this audio too, it's also a sound too. Both are generated differently. Okay, both are generated differently, separately. All right, so now let's listen to this audio and you also check the video. You see that the two doesn't sync together. So let's listen to it. Can you see now? So the both doesn't sync together. So now what I noticed from here is the first thing you need to do, you need to delay this video. All right, now you need to have a video, because before this audio starts mentioning these numbers, there is this beat here, which is this. So for this period of time that this beat is playing, you understand, you need to delay this video. All right, so what you are going to do is to just look for a background or probably an intro that match with your video. All right, you are going to make sure it's at the background so that everything can go in line. But in my own case, I'm just going to use this. I'm going to freeze this. All right, just to delay this video so that the video and the audio can match, can go in line, can synchronize together. I hope you understand. Now tap on this place and go over to freeze. We just want to freeze it, right? Select freeze. So once you select freeze, it means you want to turn it to a stable image, right? As you can see, it is now static. As you can see, it's now static. Now, so what we are going to do is to extend this image to like 10 seconds. Let's extend it to 10 seconds. Yes, let's extend it to 10 seconds. So once you extend it to 10 seconds, let's just check it out, because we want, as the moment it starts, the moment this audio starts saying A, we need to switch to this place. You understand? As you can see, all these things are videos which are generated from a particular platform, and the audio is also generated for a particular platform. So let's play it. Okay, now so we need to adjust this one backward a little bit. We need to adjust this one a little bit. So we're going to have it like this.
For apple, juicy and red.
Good. So now we've already got this delay. Now we've already delayed the video, right? I just use this method to delay the video. You can use any other method, alright? You can look for, like now this, what I used to delay this video now is almost 10 seconds. You can see it's almost 10 seconds. It's almost 10 seconds. So all you just need to do is look for that particular duration, and that thing must go in line with this video so that it won't be as if you are using another thing. You understand? Just a captivating intro. So the next thing we are going to do, you see this video, I have studied it. All right, we need to reduce it to 2.2 seconds everything for it to match with this audio. In your own case, study it, play the audio and the video, and just check where you need to make the adjustment. All right, your adjustments should be on your video, not the audio. You cannot be splitting your audio. You see, if you are splitting your audio will have glitch. You see that it will have glitch, so everything will not flow together. So what you should work on is the video. Most especially is the video. You understand? Most especially if you are even working on your audio, should be just maybe in the aspect of the volume and the rest. You understand? Or you want to reduce the noise, stuff like that. But if you want to make it to sync together, you must work on your video, most especially while using your smartphone CapCut. Very important. So let's reduce these videos to 2.2. All of them are almost the same duration, so let's reduce it to 2.2. So now at the edge of this one, you are going to drag it back. Tap on this video, drag it back. Let's make it 2.2. 2.2. Go 2.2. Now tap on this one, 2.2. I have it A to Z. It's just that I just need to make this video short. Please and please, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to as many groups as possible. Click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. We need to grow on this channel, you understand? So let's just play it.
A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce on your head. C is for cat, who loves to purr. D is for dog, who goes E is for...
As you can see, it is everything goes well, right? It is because I've studied it. All right, I've studied it. So in your own case, you study it, know where to cut out of the video so that everything will synchronize together. You need to work on your video majorly. Understand? So all you just need to do is to add some transition. Can you see this point here? Just tap on it. It is the transition point. Now just work on your transition. We have this, so you can tap on this, add any transition, add it to everything, and you're going to get it right. You're going to have it right.
A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce on your head. C is for cat, who...
So this is how to synchronize your audio and your video in CapCut. So if you want to have anything to do with audio, you can just reduce the volume if you want to. Tap on your audio and what reduce the volume. You understand? But I'm going to leave it the way it is. You understand? So you understand? So all I just need to do is to split from here and delete. Now come over to this AI Ultra here, so you can increase the resolution to 1080p for you to just export a better quality video. You understand? So it is very simple. Please don't forget to share this video, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in my next video.